Among the various bird species that can be considered extraordinary, the oilbird stands out as truly unique. It is the only volant, nocturnal, frugivorous bird in the world and the sole surviving member of the Steatornithidae family, which is native to the neotropics. The oilbird is classified under the Caprimulgiformes order, habitating evergreen forests at various altitudes, ranging from sea level to over 3,000 meters. The oilbird can be found from northern Venezuela and Trinidad to Bolivia. It forms colonies and breeds in caves, with some caves like those in Cueva de los Guacharos National Park in Venezuela accommodating nearly 10,000 individuals. This remarkable bird travels significant distances of up to 120 kilometers from its cave, guided by its exceptional sense of smell, as it forages during the night. Its diet exclusively consists of oil-rich fruit pulp from plants in the Lauraceae, Ericaceae, and Burseraceae families. By consuming such fruit and dispersing their seeds, the oilbird plays a crucial role in nature. Unlike most nocturnal animals, the oilbird faces darkness both at night, while it searches for food, and during the day when it roosts in dark caves. To navigate, it relies on both its vision and echolocation. Its retina possesses the highest rod density ever recorded in a vertebrate, with 1 million rods per millimeter, enabling it to absorb as much light as possible. Echolocation involves audible clicks, with each bird in a group emitting clicks at slightly different frequencies. The oilbird engages in socially monogamous behavior and breeds seasonally, often forming permanent pair bonds. It lays 24 white eggs per clutch and has an extended incubation and nestling period, resulting in a full nesting cycle of approximately 150 days. Nestlings become extraordinarily plump due to their diet of rich fruit pulp, weighing up to 57% more than an adult at their peak growth. Alexander von Humboldt, the first Western naturalist to encounter this species, noted how indigenous people would boil the plump nestlings to extract oil for cooking and lamps, leading to the generic name Steatornis, referring to the fat, Greek steer or steatos, stores of nestlings. In certain locations like Cueva del Guacharo in Caripe, Venezuela, and Dunstan's Cave at Asa Wright Nature Center, Trinidad, the oilbird serves as a prominent ecotourism attraction. However, due to its specialized diet and extensive habitat requirements, deforestation poses a significant threat to the species. Currently, it is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, although there are indications of population declines across its range. Interestingly, many undiscovered colonies are likely to exist due to the bird's secretive nocturnal habits and its preference for remote and inaccessible roosting sites. Obtaining more accurate population assessments, especially in lesser-known regions, could provide valuable insights into population trends, reproductive success rates, mortality factors, and other measures essential for ensuring the long-term conservation of this remarkable species.